Vertex Sync is a shared project workspace that keeps design, manufacturing, and on-site teams working from the latest models, drawings, and documents, so decisions and work stay aligned. With our new license options, staff who don't use design software can use the more affordable Vertex Sync license, while designers choose Vertex Sync Pro for seamless integration with Vertex BD. Both Vertex Sync licenses include core features: a viewer for examining 3D models and drawings, the ability to work in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, as well as cloud collaboration tools for uploading and sharing project data from anywhere, on any device. When you stop working from disconnected folders and email chains, and everyone works from Vertex Sync, you get fewer stoppages from incorrect revisions and faster turnaround. With Vertex Sync Pro, design teams can publish buildings and documents from Vertex BD straight to Vertex Sync. Keep everyone on the latest models and drawings without manual exports, and manage customer-specific design environments in one controlled space. Unlike generic cloud services, Vertex Sync is purpose-built for the building industry to keep your projects up to date all the way from design through manufacturing and to the finished building. Current Vertex Sync customers are automatically upgraded to the Pro tier. Contact our sales team for a demo tailored to your needs. Find out more on our website.